everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, Bitcoin finally moving higher. We got the ignition bar yesterday, slight inside bar pause. We redraw our trend line, now a close above it in this little clear path. Next target is going to be 1700. That's the next official target for the trend line trade, which is right here, end of the clear path. Then we have stop reduction, another stop reduction target about 17,100. Then another major target coming in between 17,593 and 17,704. Any pullbacks, especially around to the 16,281, we're going to look for catching with the rising rotation zone and then rotation entries back up. So now this prior resistance area is now key support area. So the prior resistance area really goes from about 16,164 up to about 16,400. So anywhere in there with a rising rotation zone and a rotation back up is a good rotation entry. Just checking on the daily chart real quick. So it's held on the rotation zone. We now have the first cross rotation zone. It tested to 21 and now is moving nicely higher. So that's where it sits with the key levels for Bitcoin. Switching over to Ethereum, we're starting to watch for a bigger pullback down Ethereum. It ran up to a high of 1023 through our next level. Not yet. We now have a cluster level between 1041 and 1044. So if it does push back up on a rotation, that's the next area. And then above that is 1086. However, we're starting to look for a bigger pullback right now from the most recent highs from the 4th and the lows from back on the around the end of October. We're now starting to watch. It's already pulled back. It's 12.5% GAN level to the bottom of the rotation zone. I wouldn't be surprised to see us go through it, and then we're looking for the next major pullback area between 864 and 833. Right around 836, we have the 25% GAN level. Right in front of that, we have the 50-period exponential moving average. And let's switch over to the daily chart. On the daily chart, that's the top of the rotation zone. So that would be really nice to get a pullback to the top of the rotation zone on the daily chart, see some consolidation, and then a rotation back up to work off some of this overbought condition. So that's what we're looking for. That if we do get the sharp turn up, though, you still have the levels higher, 1041 to 1044, and then 1086 for the time being. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We will talk to everyone shortly. Bye for now.